Hi guys, so I know some of you have been waiting for it, but I have too. It is shower time. It's time to wash my hair. As you can see, it's not looking very nice anymore. So today I'm going to show you how to use beauty cubes. So beauty cubes, so they've got, this is the shampoo, this little cube. And I use the normal to dry hair one, so that's this one in the green box. And what's amazing about these is that they are literally everything free. So they're plastic free, cruelty free, they're vegan, they don't contain what's in one, sulfate free. So yeah, they're absolutely amazing. And now they have a conditioner one that you need to use it even more rarely than you use this. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy. So all that you do to use it is crumble it. But the first thing that I'm going to do is obviously wet my hair. So I'm just going to crack on and wet my hair. Turn the shower on. So yes, my hair lasted for just about a week, which is good. I don't know how often you guys wash your hair, but I know that I used to wash it almost every day, which is crazy if you think about that now. But yeah, this is much better. It saves everything. It saves water, and obviously any money that you're spending on any product. So this, all I'm going to do is now crumble this into my hand. It kind of reminds me of an OXO cube. I don't know if you guys use OXO cubes, but that's literally what it's like. So I've just done this, so I've crumbled it in my hand, and now I'm going to take a little bit of water and just make it into a paste. So just going to pop that onto my hand now and just smooth it in. It's kind of like, you know, like putty that you have when you're a kid. That's what it's like. It's great. And so I'm just doing that on my hand now. Let's try this. So you can see my hand going a bit gross, and I don't want to tip it everywhere, but that's what that looks like. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is literally just pop it on my hair. You might want to use different amounts depending on your hair, but I only need to use one, and you can see how long my hair is. So I don't know, maybe some of you might have really thick hair, but mine's thick and curly, so if you have really curly hair, you know, when it's like super thick, then you might want to get a bit more, but I wouldn't say you need to use more than two. So what I've just done is I've used that paste and I've popped it on the top of my hair, but now I'm just getting a little bit more water to properly get it in. Obviously when you use the shampoo bar, then you're just rubbing it straight onto your hair, but this one, you're sort of making the paste first and then putting it in your hair. Super easy. And so just, I dropped a little bit, so I'm just picking that bit up and whack it through your hair like so. Right, so you can see this, it's all through that. It smells really nice as well. Love this one. And then I'm just going to pull it through my hair. Just takes a little bit of working through. Right, and then rub it in, like so. It's quite a nice little head massage I'm giving myself. Okay, so I've pulled it through like that, and now I'm going to wash it out. So let me turn the shower back on. And rinse. Just make sure you get all of your roots when you're doing this. So So I tend to alternate between Beauty Cubes and the shampoo bars, just to give my hair like a bit of a different mask really on it, because the Beauty Cubes are really good for your scalp and making sure that all of this is like completely taken out, all of the oils and stuff that are in it. But I really like shampoo bars just to cleanse the rest of my hair. So what I will tend to do is maybe use a Beauty Cube every other week, and then the other times that I wash my hair I will use a shampoo bar, and then that way it means that all of my hair has been completely washed when I use the shampoo bar, and then I've given it a proper treatment by using the Beauty Cubes. So that's literally it. I'm now just going to brush my hair, and I've washed my hair again. That's it. Easy. Yeah, so let us know if you have any issues with that. This is exactly the same with the conditioner. So you just crumble it, make it into a paste and whack it on your hair, and that's it. It's really that easy. So yeah, I'm going to have the rest of my shower now, and yeah, let us know if you have any questions. Bye guys.